Hello, today we are going to solve a related rates problem. This one in particular has to do with the Pythagorean theorem.
So, our problem is a soccer player is running up the field towards the goal line to make a cross. She stays 30 meters from the center of the field at all times. She is running 4 meters per second. When she is 10 meters from the goal line, how fast is the distance between her and the goalie changing? Assume that the goalie stays in the middle of the goal. So, we know that the distance from the center is 30 meters. We also know that she is 10 meters from the goal line, and she is running at 4 meters per second. We need to find how fast the distance between her and the goalie is changing. We also know that the distance between her and the center of the field is not changing, so it is moving at 0 meters per second. This is the same problem but set up as if it were a right triangle. I labeled each side as A, B, and C. We know that A is 30 meters and dA dt, or the change in distance compared to time, is 0 meters per second. We know that B is 10 meters and that the change in distance compared to time is 4 meters per second. We do not know C, or what the change in distance per time is. First, we need to find out what C is. We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We know that A is 30 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. So, C equals the square root of 1,000. So, C equals 10 square roots of 10. Now we need to find the change of distance compared to the time. First thing you're going to do is plug in what is constant. The only thing in this problem that is constant is the 30 meters. For this, you get 900 plus B squared is C squared. Now you're going to take the derivative. For this derivative, you're going to get 2b dB over dt equals 2c dc dt. The 900 cancels out because the derivative of the constant is 0. You can cancel out the 2's because they're in both sides. So your final derivative is b dB dt equals c dc dt. Now you're going to plug what you have in. You know that b is 10 and that dV dt is 4. You know that c is 10 square roots of 10. You need to find dc over dt. So this is 40 equals 10 square roots of 10 dc over dt. Now you're going to solve for dc. All you have to do is divide 40 by 10 square roots of 10. And then you simplify. So your final answer should be 4 over the square root of 10. If you want to rationalize this, you multiply both sides by the square root of 10. And you get 4 square roots of 10 over 10, or 2 over 5 square roots of 10. You can't forget the units. Your units are going to be 4 over the square roots of 10 meters per second. And that's your final answer. dc over dt equals 4 over the square root of 10 meters per second, or 2 over 5 square roots of 10. You should also put this in terms of decimals. In terms of decimals, this answer is 1.2649 meters per second.